Okay. Good. Welcome back. A4U Expo Munich 2011. We're at our stand again, and we are talking to a lot of different people from A4U Expo. People who visit, people who speak, people who are just here to be here and network. All sorts of different people. We had a lot of them. Check them out on the website. This morning, we're sitting down with Matt Bailey, who actually just founded a new company. Matt, congratulations on the new company. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, certainly. So Performance Horizon is the new company that we've started, launched in January. Our solution, we've built a piece of performance tracking software that merchants, agencies, publishers themselves can use to track their performance-based activity.
You just gave me a little insight on it. You gave me a small demo. It looks really good. Yeah, absolutely. I can imagine that making a tool like that, there's a reason why you make the tool. You just don't think, I'm going to make a tool. There's a reason for it. Why did you start off making that tool?
My background and the background of the other founders of the company is very much in affiliate marketing. You know, I've previously worked affiliate network side. I've headed up an agency affiliate management team. The guys have founded the company with the founders of the Buyout affiliate network and sort of took that from a startup through to the subsequent sale to AOL. And so we've very much grown up with affiliate marketing. We looked at the market and saw that merchants are becoming increasingly savvy about affiliate marketing. They're understanding the channel a lot more, and they're also scrutinizing the channel a lot more, and investing resource in managing their affiliate proposition. At the same time, at the other end of the spectrum, you've got affiliates, and over the last 10 years, affiliates have evolved a great deal from the old-fashioned scenario of one person in their bedroom to really sophisticated businesses, and they have account management resource as well. So we had a look at the market, and we noticed that publishers and advertisers are speaking directly to each other a lot more than they used to. They don't really need the network to facilitate the relationship, so therefore that's why we built this solution to provide merchants with the technology to be able to facilitate those direct relationships.
Is it a subscription model, or is it one-time payment?
No, we charge a license fee, so it's a technology solution. It's a piece of software, so a monthly license fee.
Okay. If you have this tool, you've got a lot of data, I think. Are you going to use that data for other things than just the affiliates, so give it away? Are you going to try to maybe get a grip on the market so you can see what the market's doing?
Yeah, I think the way we've built the solution, the sort of tech behind it is that there is the core technology. On top of that, we've built an API, so there's a whole API layer there, and we have API endpoints for absolutely everything. And so, what that enables you to do, theoretically, you could take our API and build a complete affiliate network. The reason we've done that is to make it more flexible, to make it future-proof, to make it very easy to change, to update, but also to make it very easy to integrate with other technologies. And so I see that's we will hold a lot of data, but I think where we will go as a business is we will have this performance tracking technology that will enable us to integrate very easily with other technologies, and we're speaking to a lot of companies who are in a similar space to ours at the moment about how we do that. In terms of data, to answer your question, yeah, I think clearly data is increasingly important. Just taking you through the platform, one of the really important things that we've done is to attempt to make data as easily available for clients as possible, because I think that is where we'll go as marketers. It's about understanding data and turning that data into information, allowing people to make informed purchase decisions based on facts rather than supposition.
We're at A4U Expo. What brings you to an event like this? Why are you here?
Partly because I've been to every one, and so I didn't want to miss out. I say that I missed last year as I was stuck in Dubai because of the ash cloud, and so wanted to come out here. From our point of view as a business, obviously we're a new company, so we really want to come out here. Our proposition is very much UK focused at the moment, but we want to examine the European markets. It's somewhere we definitely see an opportunity. It's somewhere we see a lot of growth, and so we want to come out here, test the water, see whether our kind of proposition would work here, and also get a view on what other people are doing within the market. Are there people who are competing with us? Are there people we should be working with? What are people talking about? And it's a great forum to be able to do that.
You travel a lot, you're on different places, you've seen different markets. If you, for example, compare UK to Germany, what you see here, what are the main differences if you look at the affiliates?
I think in terms of the structure, the way things are laid out, agencies are a lot higher represented in the German market. I think in terms of the sophistication, I think it's still some way behind the UK, but gaining. And what I've been really impressed about over the last couple of days of being at Expo is the sort of the thirst for knowledge that people within this market have. They really want to understand what's going on, where is the market going, how can they become more sophisticated in what they're doing.
It's always difficult to look into the future. It's like crystal ball, is it true, is it not true? Somebody actually said yesterday on stage that you shouldn't be looking at the future because you can't predict it, which is true, but we always like to do that. So you see a lot of changes going on in different areas, search, social, I think also affiliates. What's your view? Where's it heading?
I think we've made a very definite decision to move away from talking about affiliate marketing to talk about performance marketing, partner-based performance marketing. And I think if you ask any managing director or finance director, they would love to be able to spend more and more of their budget on performance, on a performance metric. And I think that will happen more and more. Within the search space, I think PPC will start to be driven more on performance, on driving acquisition goals, also display. I think monetization of social media will occur on a performance basis. Mobile is really exciting, and again, I think more and more of that will start to happen using CPA, cost per sale metrics. So I think where's the future go for affiliate marketing specifically? I think what I see happening is sort of a two-tier affiliate layer. You'll have big very strong relationships with big performance partners that are operated directly, hopefully through our technology, and then the long tail will become a lot more automated. So distribution of creative, distribution of communication to the long tail will become a much more automated process, and so people will. I think there will be a move towards performance marketing. Whether that will look like we know affiliate marketing now, I doubt, but I think that CPA metric will continue to evolve.
Affiliates for You came out with a research yesterday, I think, where they researched the affiliate market. One of the things that came out of it was that affiliates still rely heavily on SEO when it comes to where does the traffic come from. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's neither a good thing or a bad thing. It's just that's consumer behaviour. That's when consumers use search engines to start their purchasing decision, and so it's neither a good thing or a bad thing. It's just what you have to do. You have to.
Why I'm asking also is because a lot of affiliates are afraid of the Panda update, for example. So they're relying on Google. So once Google just turns the switch, they're in trouble. So shouldn't they be more looking at different marketing channels?
Yeah, I think as consumer behaviour evolves, you look at some scary statistics about how many users Facebook have and the amount of time people spend there. And I think as consumer behaviour potentially switches to spending more time within social spaces rather than beginning every journey through a search engine, that will evolve. Affiliates will always evolve. That it's a dynamic industry. It always has been, and affiliates will find a way of gaining traffic. Affiliates will be at the forefront of any new traffic gathering mechanism. Will they have to evolve? Of course they will. They always have done. But I think it goes back to what are consumers doing. Affiliates have to react to that.
Final question: targeting, retargeting. Is it something you can measure with your tool, for example, or is it something different?
Oh no, it's an area that we can manage, and it's an area that personally I find absolutely fascinating. It's incredible that as a merchant, potentially, I'm able to target someone at a really granular level and display to them a message that is relevant to them, instead of it's a sort of it's the complete opposite of that one-to-many approach. It's the sort of it's a culmination of what online advertising allows, understanding of that data tied to technology, and allowing me to target a really relevant advert to someone is absolutely brilliant as far as I'm concerned.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay at A4U Munich, and we'll probably see you in London in October.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.